Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Well, yesterday was a interesting day. It started off kind of slow. Ended up pretty much sitting in the van most of the day, just relaxing. Ended up hearing from Jonathan. Now, I haven't heard from him for a minute. We haven't seen each other now for almost 8 years, 9 years. Ever since I moved back from Pennsylvania. And all the shit went down. So, he messaged me. He actually sent me a picture from my wedding because he was my best man. And he's like, I just came across this and I was thinking about you. And so I ended up going down and see him yesterday at his shop because now he lives in New Hampshire. And we caught up for a couple hours. It was a good day. It was definitely a good day. Hasn't changed one bit. Still as crazy as ever. Now, today's goal is I might shoot a little bit for this video, I might not, but me and Rob are headed off to Ossipee to his shop, and we're gonna go work on the Jeeps. I'm gonna go cut my carpet out, see how bad that is. Sorry about the lighting, I'm like right there. So, but I'm gonna go see how bad my carpet is and pull that out. He's gonna start working on the floor pans because I got him new floor pans for it from work. And we'll go from there. I guess he's planning on selling his sooner than later. I'm planning on finishing mine and building it and having fun with it. That was the purpose of it. But he might have a couple fines coming up, so he's going to need the money. It is what it is. He can still ride with me. We'll still have a fucking blast. So, that's the plan. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for coming. And I really appreciate all the positive comments and stuff on the last video, my ideas on how to stay positive and keep the negative out of your life. I was actually really appreciative to see some of those. Glad to know it might help somebody. It's true. Just stay positive, people. The more positive you are, the better positive energy you're going to pull in. Alright, well that's it for now. Hey guys. Alright, well, today's been a pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. I got a bunch of the Jeep done. I'll put some pictures in here. Carpet cut out on the driver's side. Saw how bad the floorboards are. They're actually not that bad. Ripped apart the rocker panels a little bit more. There's a lot of fucking foam in there. Holy shit. They must use like 3 cans of triple expanding foam. It took almost 2 hours, maybe 3 hours to get it all out. It was that bad. But that's all gone. So yeah, moving forward, things are looking good. Rob got his floor done in his Jeep. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. I heard from somebody that I haven't heard from in a few days. I kind of just walked away. I had enough. It seemed like games. So I just kind of, whatever, I'm done. And I walked away, and today they messaged me, and we've been talking. Not going to fall for it. Not falling for it. So, but all in all, it was a good day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see what happens next. Apparently, it just started snowing. Again, I think the groundhog was definitely on drugs. And not the good drugs. Because we already had one snow and ice storm, and now we're having another snowstorm, apparently. Only in New Hampshire. But, alright. The other video will be up on the Bugging Out Off-Road channel, and then there'll be a couple clips of Rob's Jeep in there too. Just us getting ready and getting everything done. But yeah, all in all, good day. Positivity, my friends. Positivity. Positivity leads to better days. So way to look at it.